We are many people with different looks, different personalities, and different attitudes. But does that mean that our understanding of humanity is different too? Are we happy when people around us are happy? Is humanism plus good conscience equal to happiness? So how do we define the word humanism? And how many people would define themselves as humanists? Well, that's hard to say, but I took the Danes as an example to find the answer. As you know, Denmark is one of the happiest countries in the world. But does that signify that we all are happy? Let's see.
Danmark er et af de lykkeligste lande i verden, fordi at vi har en stat, der passer godt på os. Vi har sygeforsikring, kontanthjælp og gode pensioner og gode barselsvilkår og sådan noget. Så tror jeg, det giver en tryghed, som gør, at vi er lykkelige.
People are too obsessed with the word happiness.
Altså vores velfærdssystem har helt klart noget med det at gøre. At man kan tillade sig at gøre nogle flere ting, uden at man bliver straffet.
Vi har social velfærd, og hvis vi pludselig mister vores muligheder økonomisk, så er der altid mulighed for at få hjælp.
Vi har høj velfærd, som tager hånd om de svage i samfundet.
Happiness is something that you only feel rare, seldom.
Det synes jeg. Nu har jeg aldrig været sådan en, der skulle stikke andre, så er jeg bare sådan, altså, det er lige meget, de fusker det der. Så det er jo ikke alle, der gør det. Det er måske 5-10%, der gør det.
Det tror jeg faktisk i Sverige lidt, at man som dansker har en tendens til at være meget egoist.
Jeg håber det ikke. Men der er jo mange, der sulter i verden, og det har jo ikke gjort danskerne så meget kede af det.
Tror jeg ikke. Jeg tror, vi vil have empati med dem.
It would affect me, and if it was my neighbor, I think I would sometimes try to help. I could not help every day, but I could do it some days. This person also, these persons, they don't have a job. You could maybe help them get a job. Help them in some ways, either with material stuff or getting on with their life.
Ja, ved dem, ja. Tror jeg. Jeg ved det ikke, det er sådan lidt svært at sige.
Ja, delvis.
Prøver at være.
Arbejde lidt frivilligt i Afrika og hjælper os uledsagede flygtninge, hvor jeg ellers kan.
Nej, ikke så meget. 40%.
Man hjælper dem, der er i nød.
Man bidrager til det, når der virkelig behøves.
Man tænker på andre end sig selv. Ja. Man prøver at sørge for, at alle har det godt.
When you need somebody else, you have to be empathic, and you have to try to understand the other person's views.
Tager os en svag i samfundet og behandler andre pænt, uanset etnisk baggrund.
Hvor det handler om, at man har en almen menneskekærlighed, og man har en global forståelse. Fordi når det nogle gange lyder som om danskerne ikke er humanistiske, så er det nok fordi de ikke har forstået, at verden er så stor, som den er, og så forskellig, som den er.
Out of all people I asked, no one would define themselves as full humanists. Maybe because they are comparing themselves to other people. Well, the question about the neighbor, it was a question to the conscience. And 50% wouldn't feel happy if their neighbor was starving. Well, that means that they would have bad conscience if they didn't help. It's difficult to define the word humanism, but a definition could be that humanism is thinking about other people. It's about helping people that need help. For example, through organizations. You need human love to be a humanist. For now, it's the definition of humanism. Next video is going to be a little bit personal. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for all humans to watch my new videos. And well, I wish you all a good day.